guys, welcome to my channel. This week on gold, what are we to expect? What are we doing in our monthly? Of course, we already know that after the three levels of rise, we have the three levels of drop. Now, in between the three levels of drop, you have the ranging period. I'm just gonna quickly map that out here. Take my time. So we have 1, 2, 3. Here we have the ranging period, which I would say this is it. Now what I will do now is I will map out this box here from here. Yeah. So I'm currently in this box here and we have this from here. We had this pullback. Now this is what most likely to expect all the way down. Now I'll show you in the lower time frame why I said this. So let's go straight up into our weekly. Now I don't know if you observed something. What we mapped out in our higher time frame, which is the monthly, came back into our lower and was seeing the same exact direction at which and what we mapped out. So I said three levels of rise, then three levels of drop. So you have three levels here, pull back, three levels here, pull back, three levels here. Now we can confirm that the buy trend has successfully completed, and right now what we expect to see is a sell trend. Now, before the sell trend can take place, we would have the ranging period. So we're currently in the ranging period, which is this box. Now, gold has been ranging. Two things make it range. When a level of rise is completed, a new level is about to complete. You'd have that ranging period, creates a new direction for the market, and then it starts to go in that direction. We already have our three levels completed for the rise. Now, what we should expect is the three levels of drop. Now we're currently in this box, which is the ranging period. So what do I do at this point? Now I map out my highs and my lows. For this week, this is what I expect to happen. I map this as my high, I map this as my low, and I will also map this as my low. I have this high, meaning that price hasn't crossed this point. This is 2086. Last time price got here, 1930, November 23. Now this is our most recent low, which was in December 23, 1971. So now what do I expect to happen? Now we already have a direction at which the market is going, which is a sell trend completed. You should expect a fall from this point, price getting to this point most likely, then start to fall. We have this meet here, come back to this position. Now create a low, a second low, which is the W, which we already have here. Now this trend has to finish, create a new high around here and give us a double top. And now we can write that down. I'll go into my daily time frame. So I'm just going to take this out. So now we can see on our daily time frame from our weekly time frame that what we mapped out is what actually came out. So we already have this. So now what we expect to see is price get to this position, hit somewhere around here, give us a double top, and then we can write it down. Now there's every possibility that price can stop around here because the last time for two positions now, twice actually, price didn't cross this position. So I can say here I should expect the sell trend from here. But of course we have NFP this weekend, and there's every possibility that price would go above, but my best bet is somewhere around here price will test this position and start to sell. So I can bring this back down. I can say from here I have my entry point around there, then I'm ready to write this sell from this position with NFP news. But whatever happens before then, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday before the NFP news. High, but my best bet is this high because price failed here and failed here as well, and it hasn't gone above this point since the beginning of January. So if it's going to cross here, expect it to get to this point. Now above the box, it has to either break this box or come down and start riding. But whatever the case is, we're just going to keep following the trend. This is just my analysis on what to expect for gold this week and into the new month. So cheers guys, and welcome to a new week.